Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to connect Snapchat to Facebook. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open your Facebook profile, then click on edit profile and scroll down to the bottom and click on edit your about information and click on contact and basic information. And in this websites and social links section, you will get this edit icon here. Click on it and scroll down. Now click on add a social link and click here, and from here you have to select Snapchat, and here you have to give your Snapchat username, so I'm giving here. Now click on save, and now I'm opening my Facebook profile, and here we can see my Snapchat is connected with my Facebook. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.